Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you another cheap Bluetooth speaker. This one is from a company called Forever. You can also get this one online, same as the other ones that I have featured on my videos. You can probably pick this one up for, I don't know, around 10-11 bucks. It's a perfect speaker, perfect size speaker for hanging it on your backpack if you want. It's more oriented towards traveling. The model number is BS-110. Here on the back you can see a few specifications such as the Bluetooth version, the capacity of the battery, the output power, the dimensions. Okay, so let's open it up, see what we get inside the box. Of course, you get your micro USB charging cable, pretty standard. The Bluetooth speaker itself, some instructions in English and other languages. You get the Bluetooth speaker itself. Let's get it out of the box if we can. It also comes with this strap or lanyard, whatever you want to call it. You can hang this, you can even hang this around your neck if you want to. Alright, let's get the box out of the way. Okay, here are the dimensions. Here how it looks. You can also use this button as a camera shutter for your, as a camera button for your smartphone. You can take pictures with it. Here is the micro USB charging port, the 3.5mm headphone jack. There's a microphone. This is the play, pause, skip, reverse track button or slider if you want. And up top you have a micro SD card slot. If you don't want to use Bluetooth, you can insert a micro SD in here filled with music and you can listen to music that way. Alright, so let's power it up and connect it to a phone. Alright,
Bluetooth mode.
let's grab a phone and connect it. Let's go to Bluetooth. Open it up. Let's see if it finds it. Alright, there we go. BS-110. Pair it up. Okay, let's see how long does it take to pair with the Bluetooth speaker. Okay, I guess it's connected, even though it does show connecting. Okay, now let's listen to some music and see how it sounds. There we go. Let's get max volume. Now in order to get the max volume you have to hold down the slider. Okay, max volume on the phone. as you heard, it does get pretty loud, although it doesn't have a great amount of bass. It's more oriented towards the mids. But as a small traveling Bluetooth speaker you can take with you outside, although I don't think it is water resistant, but you can travel with it as long as it doesn't get in any rain. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.